I love connecting with people. I love helping them feel better about themselves. I would say my entrepreneurial spirit was probably born here at Wisconsin. I'm Katie Storino. I graduated from University of Wisconsin-Madison in 2003, and I am the founder of Megaboss Beauty. College is for exploring and trying things, and I think people overestimate that the track you put yourself on in college is where you have to stay your entire life, and that is just factually not true. I'm a beauty founder. I didn't study science. I didn't study anything that would have said that I could be a beauty founder, but that's where I am. And I think that college is really for trying all the things. I used to intern at the Capitol. Like I was like, maybe I'll be in politics. I thought for a second I would do education. I'm not good with kids. I couldn't be a buyer. I found that out because I was like not good enough with the math. I'm just saying you have to try things and talk to a lot of different people, meet a lot of different people. This is like not the time to just hang out with your people from your hometown. You need to expand your horizons and like make your friends. My company, Megaboss, we make personal care products for women who don't want to chafe or have boob sweat or BO or stinky feet. We really shine a light on taboo issues. And I think that if I can help anyone feel more comfortable with themselves, then I've done my job. Ironically, my business partner for Megaboss is one of my best friends from college, Kate. We lived together our junior and senior year, and those connections that we formed here have been so important. Again, my business is run by 3 Badgers: myself, Kate, who was my roommate, and my sister, who graduated 4 years before me. An LNS degree opens doors for you. People recognize that on your resume. They understand the kind of work you've put in and the skills that you've acquired while you're here. And I feel like I saw that in my own journey. I was able to secure internships and first jobs and alumni connections. People really respect what you've gone through here and what you've achieved.